Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton. I'm really excited for this video. I'll be showing you how to create a journal that you can sell with Amazon KDP or whichever platform that you're looking to sell on. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I've already downloaded my cover template for this cat journal where I'll be doing a 6x9 cat journal, and it's just going to be a lined journal. It's nothing that's going to be super fancy or anything like that. So first you want to head on over to the KDP cover calculator, type in all of your dimensions and what you're looking for, and then hit calculate dimensions. Once you do that, it will open up another page, or it may be the same page, and it will give you all of this information. You can download the template here at the bottom, and this is how I got that PDF or PNG for the background for the cover, and I highly recommend using that so that way you don't go outside the margins. So going back to Canva, which you can have the free or pro version of Canva for this, it really doesn't matter. However, with the free version, you are limited in what you can do. So just keep that in mind. So here's our cover template. So first, I'm just going to work on adding something for the title. I'm just going to put the title as my journal. It's not going to be anything fancy. You can definitely do whatever you want. So let's just find something that we can use for the title. We'll use this right here. And I'm just going to type in my journal, and I'm going to make that on its own line here, and then I move it on over to the middle of where the book would be. I'm also going to make my text bigger because this is just not big enough, in my opinion. So I'm going to highlight it and just make it bigger. There we go, that's a little bit better. I'm also going to make this overall a little bit smaller, and I'm going to add it right into the middle. Perfect. So now that we have this here, I'm just going to go ahead to elements. I'm going to look for a cat. So I'm just going to type in cute cat. And if you don't have the pro version, then you can't use these ones with the little crowns, but that's perfectly okay. There are plenty of free ones, as you can see here. And I'm just going to add this cute little cat. Just add the cat down here, and we'll add another kitty up here. I did already pre-make this cover, so that way you guys don't have to watch this video for 10 minutes long of me adding cats to the screen, but I just want to give you an idea of what you can do with Canva when making your own cover. So you can just search for anything up here in the bar, and there's just so many different things that pop up. So let's use this little design right here. Now they are white, so you can't see them against the cover image that I have in the background, but that's okay because we're going to change the background color so then you'll be able to see them. So I'm just going to add a bunch around here. Make sure I don't go onto the spine, which this is a spine where you can add text or you can leave it as is. And now I'm just going to delete this. And I'm going to change the background. I can leave it this pink. I could do like a lighter pink. We'll leave it here, and we'll change this color to something else. We'll make it lighter. And I'm going to move these around. So as you can see, like, this is just a super simple way to create your cover. I did already finish the cover, and I'll show you it down here. So here we are. We got a cute cat cover with my journal, and it has a little cat up here and a cat down here with flowers. And then the spine would be right down here, and I have nothing on the back. So that's just how you can create your journal cover. Now getting onto the interior, you can head on over to my Gumroad shop, and it's completely free. You just scroll down to the 6x9 inch lined interior, 100 pages with bleed. You do want bleed if you do a journal. And if you're not really sure what bleed is, Amazon KDP has a great resource page on it and also gives you the dimensions of what you want your pages to be, if you want bleed or if you don't want bleed. So I already have this template done for you, so all you would have to do is download the PDF here and then head on over to Canva and import it. And it should load just like this. So this is what your interior should look like if you use my template from Canva. And you can leave it as is or you can personalize it. So this is a cat journal, so let's just add a cat here. We could change the transparency and make it lighter, so that way you could kind of put it in the middle of the page, or you could leave it and you can make it smaller and add it to the top. Just be mindful again of the margin, so I'd have to make that a lot smaller. So I think I'm just going to add the cat to the middle of the page. I'm going to position, center, middle. I'm going to change the transparency and put it way down. There we go. And I think I'm just going to leave it like that. And you could change all of the pages to like this, just leave the first one, or you can leave them all blank. It's really up to you. If you want to change all the pages to the cat, you'll have to delete all of the other pages already on here and then duplicate the first page. But it really doesn't take too long to do, and that's totally a personal preference. But after this, you just upload it to whatever platform you want to. You just hit the share button in the top right, download as PDF, do the same with the cover, and congratulations, you've completed your first journal for whatever platform you're trying to do it on, and I really hope that you made sales and that this was truly helpful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.